what you have to do is cut out a piece of cardboard the right lengths as the fabric so that it's easier to cut out additional pieces of it. So you're going to measure out 9 inches and then add about ½ inch extra for sewing. And then the other side is going to be 6 inches with ½ inch extra for sewing. So here we have a piece of fabric that I previously cut out to the dimensions 9.5 by 6.5 inches. We're just going to cut out the rest of the fabric to be the same size. Here I have 2 pieces of 100% cotton 400 thread count fabric that I cut into the dimensions 9.5 inches by 6.5 inches. You're going to take the fabric and place it on the sewing machine. You want to start at the center of the long side and you're just going to sew on the edge till the end. Stop with a little bit of room so you can place your elastic in here. You're going to want to turn it so that it's a little bit diagonal facing inwards, and put the elastic completely under the material and cover it. You want the elastic to be inside so that when you invert the mask, it doesn't show up on the outside. And then just sew over it and then leave a little bit of room so you can lift up your material and turn it. So now you're sewing on the vertical side of it, which is the shorter side. And then just sew till the edge. Side of the elastic over here underneath the blue material, make sure it's covered fully. We're using a piece of elastic that's 6.5 inches in length and it's 3 by 8 inches in width. And sew till the edge. Then leave a little bit of room so you can turn the material again, and now you're going to be sewing on the long side. And sew till the edge. So that you can place the second piece of elastic in here. And you're going to do the same thing, leaving room on the outside so that it's fully covered and placing it inside of the 2 pieces of fabric. And stop when you reach the edge so that you can turn it once more, and you're just going to sew till the end again. Stop with a little bit of room so you can grab the other edge of the elastic and place it underneath. Cover it completely with the fabric and sew till the edge. Then turn the material once more and sew over it just a little bit, but still leaving room without stitching so that you can invert the mask. Make sure you sew over the elastic again, and you're just going to sew a little bit over it and leaving room still so that you can invert the mask. Invert this by pulling the inside out. You want to be a little bit careful here with the edges so that you don't pull the stitches out. Inside out, this is what it looks like. We have this opening here that we use to invert it. So you're going to fold it over so that the edges are on the inside, and you're just going to seal it like this. Start at the end and just sew till the edge, so over the opening. And you can use any type of nice looking stitch that you would like. To the fancy stitch, and we're just gonna sew till the edge. In the end, you're gonna want your mask to look like this with these 3 folds. So you're just gonna make folds, 3 of them, and they have to be even on both sides. And then you're gonna pin them together so that they stay when you sew. So now that you have the folds pinned down, you're just gonna place it under the machine, starting it at the very top edge, and you're just gonna sew all the way down. Once you do the same thing on the other side, you have to wash the mask and dry it in the sanitary cycle before use. While we practice social distancing, I suggest that kids learn how to make these. They're pretty easy to make, and you can donate them to nearby healthcare facilities. Thank you.